What's up, guys, and welcome back to Good Time Trading. And today I wanted to talk about uh, this being the top. And I told you guys I was going to try to catch these things. And I haven't got the live stream, uh, all that figured out yet, but I did want to go live and show you guys this rejection off my support right here. But if we do break 99.03 and keep it going, I would look for extension all the way up to 10,178. So let's see if we get the pullback. Oh, and we already got it. Okay, so we'll know if this guy breaks. But if you guys have been keeping up with me, you know my support and resistance lines are so good. And so anyway, we'll zoom back out now that we caught that top, and I'm gonna try to keep doing this with you guys just to show you how good my lines are. So anyway, let's zoom out to the monthly chart, and you guys know that we've been bullish off of this for a while, and let's take away my support lines and go to this chart. So looking at the monthly, uh, it's starting to look like a bull pole, bull flag if we break this level um, on the macro. But we were talking yesterday about the head and shoulders coming, but we'll get into that in a second. But going down to the 3 week, um, we did get this green dot right here, and it's had a good follow through. And then the weekly, we got this golden cross, and we were looking for a pullback into the moving averages, but I'm not sure if we got it or not. But if the weekly RSI ever gets down to the neutral zone again at 50, I would be looking for a bounce there. Just because when you pump back up to the 50 marker, you kind of test back down into it, and then back here, let me put on log scale so we can see it. So when you broke the 50 marker right here, you tested back down into it, and that was a phenomenal buy. But yeah, so when when these two moving averages, if they ever get above this read right here at, let's see if we can see it better. So yeah, like a negative 20, it'll break this. It's kind of like a resistance moving average, and you can see when we broke it in March, that's when the big pump happened right here. So bull run, and then we broke it. Super downtrend, rejected it right here. So if we get above it, that'll be a change in Bitcoin's macro trend. But not getting too far ahead of ourselves with that. Let's jump on down to the lower time frames. And the 3-day, we called that bounce off the exponential as bullish, and still sticking with that. And then, so here's where the trickery happened, and it's always trickery on the weekends, and I don't trade the weekends, just full disclosure on that one. But we got the green dot right here on the 2-day, which is bullish, and if we get CME follow through Monday, I would look for an extension back up to the 10.1, I think is the next support. We'll have to check that later. But the daily has regained the RSI exponential, so that's bullish as hell. And so yeah, but yesterday I think we had a daily red dot, so it did take it away, and you technically you should wait for the daily to close, and that way you know it's bullish. But I'm not a big fan of that. I like to get in when it shows it to me, and then I'll just get out if it takes it away. But the 10-hour, it'll show you the way. So we got the green dot right here, and that was a pump of 13%. So we got another green dot. So maybe 8, 9, 10% up to 10.1. Kind of what I'm looking at right now. But that all hinges with Monday, and then so this is going to create a CME gap. So we know the gaps fill. But so we were saying the volatility was getting low yesterday, and I was looking for it to break pretty soon. And then we got this trend line coming in. So if we do break bullish out of this pattern, the measured move is 20% almost. So could be a big move up, guys. Could be a big one. Where would that put us at? 18.5. Wow. Okay, so if we get to 11.4 off of this move, that would be freaking huge, guys. But I would look for a pullback in the 11.4 region if this does break. But I'd be pretty shocked if it did, it being a weekend, and not come back down to the bottom of the range at 9,500 and then maybe a break Monday. Would make a lot of sense to me. But as you can see on the 6-hour volatility, we are downtrending hardcore right now. Let's see if the lower time frames are showing it. So yeah, 4-hour volatility at a 0. That's huge. That's huge. Okay, so let's look. Last time we were at a 0 on the 4-hour. Oh boy, right here before it expanded down. So here we are getting some expansion, but like I said, it's the weekend, guys. I wouldn't expect much. And then see what else we got. So on the 4-hour, if we get this moving average sloped up, I do think it would tell us the direction of the volatility. And then, so we were looking at the 2-hour back here on the 14th, 15th, saying it was bearish. And then yesterday, it popped back up and was bullish, got a green dot. So, and now we're going to break our resistance line, moving averages. So, yeah, if we can pop it, guys, it's going to be a quick move up. But I'll be waiting. But if it does break it, I might put a position on. Never know. But I don't like trading like that. I like to buy the dip. Like I would have, Coinbase hadn't have been down on me, I would have got in at 8,050 right here and just probably held that. But we missed it. Coinbase locked me out. But anyway, so today I was looking at Bitcoin and I was like, holy shit, is this the 3-hour or the daily time frame on Bitcoin? So I'm going to draw this out for you. So this right here and then going to the daily chart and zooming out looks very similar to this whole move. And I'll show it to you one more time. You guys see it right there? It's like a fractal. So, boy, if this happens and Bitcoin is in the bull pole bull flag like I talked in the beginning of the video, that would be so sweet, guys. So, yeah, that would be pointing it up at like 20K. But, yeah, maybe Bitcoin's showing it to us before it shows it to us right here. And then if you were looking at this as a bull pole bull flag, right here it'd be another 20% move. So yeah, same way, but sorry guys, I was trying to delete that. Okay, so is there anything to be seen on the lower time frames? Yeah, so you're getting pretty hot right here. Go down to the super low time frames. And let me get back on my support lines. Okay, so I drew this out right before the video. Bitcoin was in a nice little pattern right here. So we got the 5-minute red dot, and I don't trade off these time frames just because it's not very profitable. But when we are right up to a critical support, I will go down to the 30-second and really see what's happening because if we lose momentum like this and maybe put in bearish divergence like right here, so like from this top to this top, you had bearish divergence on the 30-second. Oh boy. Sorry guys, I hit the wrong button. Okay, so you had bearish divergence right there. I won't click on it and mess this up again. So yeah, I'd look back. I'd look for a pullback back to let me scan through here and see if I see anything on why it would dump. So yeah, nothing really. I would just look maybe back to a reversion of the mean to 9600 and play out sideways and down until Monday. But as you can see, we got, sorry about that too. So we got bearish divergence on the 15-minute. So that's good enough for me to say this is a local top right here. So don't panic FOMO in. Hopefully nobody did. And yeah, good luck out there, guys, and stay away from weekend smoke and mirrors price action. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe if you're new, and let me know what you think in the comments below.